Hi guys, this is Andrew and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, well, welcome. My name is Andrew and this channel is about my 2004 R32 or just Volkswagen kind of stuff really in general. So if you guys like what you guys see, definitely go down below and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for each time I put an upload up. If you guys are returning subscribers, well, welcome back. I really appreciate you guys coming back and checking out another video. And as always, if you guys like this content, just, go down below there, hit that little thumbs up button. Really would appreciate it. All the likes really help out with the YouTube algorithm going forward into the future. So today, guys, what are we doing with the beautiful R32? Well, we got some few things in here from ECSTuning. First thing we have a nice little oil package here. Kind of a little bit dusty from the diffuser build, but we have basically filters, we have all new oil, we also have this new housing that I personally think is a must-have for the R32. So we will definitely be talking about this when we go ahead and do the oil change for today's episode. Another thing that we need to do today, on this side of the car, I just noticed this is fun. The rear or the side skirt over here has fallen off. So we need to go get some 3M tape here and tape that back on because it doesn't look good. It's hanging. I really like the side skirt for the R32, so I definitely want to get that reattached onto the car. Pretty simple to do. I'll show you guys how to go about it. And the last thing that we're doing in today's episode, this car is so stock and not modified that this car still has the OEM flapper attached onto the car. So for all of you who don't know about the R32, the rear exhaust has an actual flapper from the factory on it. Anytime you go above around 3,000 RPMs, that flapper will open and make the exhaust a lot louder. There's actually a modification that you can do. It's super simple. I'm gonna show you guys today how to go about that and open up that exhaust note if you still have the stock R32 exhaust. Not many people do, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make the exhaust a little bit louder and a little bit more enjoyable, get that real Wookie noise out of the R32. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead. I'm gonna take off this side skirt because I gotta go to AutoZone to grab that 3M double-sided tape. So let's go ahead and let's start on today's episode. Okay guys, so right down in here there are two T25 bolts. These two bolts we need to remove. Once these come out, this should come off. There's nothing holding on the rear, obviously, because the tape basically all delaminated. So let's go ahead, let's start taking this off here, and let's get this side skirt off. Okay guys, so for right now, we're not gonna go ahead and remove the rest of the side skirt. Justin actually just called me and he said he wants to come over and work on the car. So since he's gonna be coming over and he lives really close to AutoZone, I just asked if he would go ahead and pick up the double-sided tape. So he's gonna pick up that tape, which makes it always nice. We don't need to fully remove this, but we still needed to remove these two T25s just so we can get the access in here to actually get to where the tape is. There's a little channel in here where the tape goes, so I'm probably just gonna use like a heat gun to try to heat up that tape and then remove the old stuff. And then we'll get the new one and reapply that new double-sided 3M tape. So that is kind of just the update right now for the side skirt. Let's go ahead and get the car situated to start working on the other projects for today. And look who just showed up, guys. We have Justin. Okay guys, so we have now gotten the side skirt kind of really in a good spot. We went ahead and got all of the goo. I don't know whether it's an adhesive or it is like actual tape from the factory, but you can see, I'll show you guys now down here, it's basically all off now. There's no more goo here. And also along the side skirt here, we had to take more of that tape or whatever it is off here. So that is coming along really good. Justin, he's here now with me too, over here. He's going ahead, we're laying some new 3M tape down on the side skirt. Doing that, then we should be able to press it up against the body of the car. And it should stick and then should be good. So let's go ahead, we're gonna get that stuck on the car, and I'm gonna show you guys then at least the final process of how it all looks. Obviously it's gonna look how it looked before, but just a quick, easy way to go ahead and fix this side skirt. Okay guys, so this is a very common issue. Me and Justin just kind of found this. You can see here, this is the actual like noise dampening that goes under the hood. And this happens a lot for me. Squirrels get in here and rip this thing apart. So we had to go ahead and me and Justin, you can see Justin's already getting under the car there. We took out it up here at the top. So that's another thing that we just had to take out. Just kind of getting all the maintenance stuff done. We're just right now trying to get the right size for the oil pan plug. I think it's a 18 mil. Bigger. Oh, bigger than 18 mil. So we'll see exactly what it is and I'll let you guys know. For all of you who have not done an oil change before on R32, the first thing that you're gonna do, take off the cap up here. You wanna get that open so you can get the oil to actually flow. And then let's go under the car here. See what Justin's doing. Oh, so under the car now, here in the back, this is where Justin's right now going. That is where the plug is. It's a 19 millimeter. We're using a socket, and just be very careful when you take it out because it's an aluminum pan and it can strip really easily. So we're just right now going ahead and taking it out. Woohoo! There we go, boys. Okay. So let's drain this oil. The next thing we're gonna have to do is we have to take off this plastic shield right here. Very rare that the R32 actually even has that shield, but under there, that's the filter. Let's go ahead and get this off. It's just two T25s and we're gonna get that going. All right guys, we got the two T25s out. This is out now, the tray, as you can see, and the filter housing is right here. So with this filter housing, we're gonna replace it with an ECS aluminum housing. Main reason why, this plastic housing up here on my old R and also on my friend's GTI has snapped. As it gets older with age, they get brittle, the plastic. So the best thing to do is just replace it with the aluminum one. I have links all in the description down below. If you guys are interested in any ECS tuning parts, I have a link there. Anything you buy through that link, guys, helps support the channel. So highly recommend it. If you guys are buying ECS tuning parts, just go ahead through that link and purchase anyways, because like I mentioned, it helps me out and we can do more car parts and more car videos if you guys are helping out the channel. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this housing off and we'll be back with you guys.
About it, baby.
So Justin, what size?
It's a 14 millimeter, and you're gonna want to just tighten it so it's tight, but not too tight. If you strip it out, you're fucked.
So there you go, guys. So that's now in. Now we can go ahead and get that next filter housing out. Got it? Yeah. That's a tight one, boys. So
Once
make sure.
Crack it loose.
Yeah, get that pan under there.
Drag the oil pan over. Nice and easy, so we don't spill all over the driveway. And now we get covered in oil.
Yes, this is the part where you guys get drenched. So.
Unless you're sleek with it.
There you go. Yeah, that's what I would do. Ooh, he's dripping already. Filters should be in there too. Ooh. There we go, guys. It's out.
Got a little spillage on the driveway.
That's fine. My parents are redoing the driveway.
Okay.
So, how was that, Justin?
It's fun.
Scale of 1 to 10, how hard? 10 being the hardest you've done.
4.
So.
Maybe less.
So there you guys go. You can kind of see, pretty simple process. Even Justin, he's done a bunch of this stuff. He says pretty damn easy. A lot of people say Volkswagens are hard to work on. An oil change, pretty damn basic overall. So, oh, there you go. He's coming out with the filter housing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and help Justin. We'll get this all finally situated and I'll show you guys kind of the ending piece of it.
So what we're doing is we're bringing the O-ring to make the seal around the housing there. So that when you tighten it back up, it seals.
So guys, the nice part about this ECSTuning aluminum housing, it actually gives you what the actual foot-pounds should be on it, 18 foot-pounds for both the actual housing and the actual drain plug, so you're not gonna strip anything. Also, it's aluminum, so you're not gonna have to worry about it cracking or anything like that in the future. So that is all in now, in there, really good. Highly recommend getting this. If any of you guys are doing oil changes, I would definitely recommend getting this housing. I've had it on my old R32 and this R32, and I've also recommended it to many friends with GTIs, and they all love it. So definitely highly recommend getting this housing if you guys don't have it yet for your car. Okay guys, so we have now buttoned up everything. Justin and me, we did the oil change on the R32. Justin, we did his oil change on his truck. And then we also went ahead, what else did we do? Oh, we put the side skirt back on the R32. You can see now this side of the car, how it looks. And it looks really nice. Looks like it never fell off, so that's a great thing. And then the last thing we did was we did a flapper mod for the rear of the R32. I'm gonna show you guys underneath what we exactly did. It's super easy. It cost me $1 to do this mod, and it's a completely game changer for the R32. So let me show you guys what exactly we did. So looking under here, guys, you could see this, ow, that's really hot, ow. See this part right there. That is the valve for the flapper, basically, on the rear. And it is super simple. Where did Justin put this now? So there is this line right here. This is the vacuum line right here that runs to that flapper in the back of the car. And we just stuck a bolt right on the front of it. You can see right there, that little head there, that is the head of a screw. And all you need to do is just stick it in that vacuum line. And once you do that, it opens up the exhaust and will keep this flapper back here open for basically the rest of the time that you don't have that connected. So it's really, really simple and really easy to do, as you can tell. So we have now clips that I'm going to show you guys. We'll show first the exhaust clips with the flapper attached, and we'll also show exhaust clips with the flapper disattached to it. Okay guys, so now you can see basically the difference. Adding that flapper mod, it's definitely a night and a day difference. I love it. Just driving the R32 now, it sounds so much better. Even ask Justin. Justin, what do you think?
It's way better.
So,
It's way better.
Exactly. Edgar, what do you think?
I totally agree with you on that statement.
See, both of them think it sounds way better. And that literally is $1 to do this mod for the R32. So definitely worth to do it if you're gonna do it. Also, we finished up that oil change on the R and we got that side skirt back on. So that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. Like I mentioned before, guys, if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead down below, hit that subscribe button. If you guys like this video, go and hit that like button. That thumbs up really, really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and I really appreciate it, guys. Just Overall, I love how this channel is growing so far. I love all your guys' support. Justin's also loving it so much that Justin is looking at buying a car for the channel. So, if you guys want to know what that is, definitely hit that subscribe button.
Supercharge my truck.
Or supercharge his truck, that's his other thought. But if you guys want to know what that car is, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you guys can know when that video actually goes live. If you guys also are not part of our driving group yet, it's called Driven Not Trailered, go down below, hit that link, it will bring you to our Facebook group. We're gonna be doing a bunch of driving groups. We have one event planned currently for that. It's gonna be a drive cruise to a local brewery. Should be a lot of fun. Bunch of Volkswagen guys will be there, so it definitely should be a fun event to do overall. So on that note, guys, we are gonna end today's vlog. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.